Indulge in the epitome of comfort at Bertrand Russell House, an exquisite heaven nestled in the enchanting city of Nottingham, poised to captivate your senses. Take your pick from a selection of convenient non-en-suites, each adorned with a plush bed, ample wardrobe space, and a dedicated desk and chair, ensuring optimal productivity as you tackle those looming academic deadlines. But that's not all. Unwind in style on sleek leather furnishings and whip up culinary delights in the fully equipped kitchen. Plus, with utility bills covered, a responsive on-site maintenance team, and complimentary monthly cleaning services, saving money has never been more effortless. Nestled within easy reach of Nottingham Trent International College and Nottingham Trent University, your daily scholarly journey is streamlined. Come weekends, immerse yourself in the vibrant local scene, from trendy cafes like Huckle Lounge and Mag Mug Cafe to lively nightlife venues including Tom's Orchard, the Organ Grinder, and the Sir John Borlase Warren. With several nearby bus stops such as Bowden Street, stop RA22, and Union Street, stop RA23, getting around is a breeze. So why wait? Embark on your next adventure today by securing your perfect sanctuary at Bertrand Russell House, Nottingham, exclusively at amberstudent.com.